Failure is part of growth. Before I started this business, I felt like a failure, tired, lost, and so unsure of how to balance my full time job, motherhood, and my dreams. My dream was to create a financial stability with time freedom. But in reality, I was juggling multiple course, task, roles, and responsibilities. I was completely lost both physically and emotionally, with no time for myself and my dreams. That's when I researched it and found some spiritual courses. And when I attended those courses, I realized my failures didn't define me, but it really helped me to refine me. I went deeper to understand my strengths and accepted my weaknesses, and I was ready to work on it for my own betterment. I kept going not just for me, but for my family, so I can reach out to the other moms, help them come out of their circumstances, and help them become financially independent. So today, I stand tall as a mom, a dreamer, a woman who never gave up. The path isn't easy, but every small step takes me closer to my dream. If you are a mom who feels stuck, just know this, you're not alone. DM me growth and I will help you find freedom and build a future. Let's grow together.